coin pre-sales and new listings to watch in 2025. Wall Street Pepe, WEPE. Wall Street Pepe is one of the hottest pre-sale commodities on the meme coin market and has already raised over $54 million in its eco. Besides the ever-beloved Pepe the Frog theme, Wall Street Pepe's key selling point is its VIP, Alpha Calls, group designed for all WEPE holders. Members of the group will receive cutting-edge market alpha, trading strategies and even tips on the best meme coins to buy. They can even post their own trading setups and earn rewards, depending on their success rate. The fact that Wall Street Pepe isn't just another utility-less shitcoin has made it a fan favorite, as has its pre-sale staking platform which is offering a reward rate of over 20%. Mind of Pepe, Mind. The AI agent crypto meta is going nowhere. It is not without any reason that the I16Z coin is up by more than 13% today on Tuesday, despite the broader market bearishness. However, investors who missed out on tokens like AI16Z and IXBT are now searching for low-cap AI meme coins, with Mind of Pepe, Mind, emerging as one of the standout choices. Meme Index, Memex. Meme Index, Memex, is another low-cap project that is being viewed as one of the most promising meme coins to buy. As the name suggests, the project aims to build an index fund-like structure for meme coins. In fact, Memex holders will be able to 4 separate meme coin baskets, each with a different risk-reward ratio. Solaxi, SOLX. Solaxi, SOLX, is the first prominent Solana Layer 2 token which has already raised nearly $13 million in its eco. It appears as if Solana will continue its stellar 2024 performance in 2025 as well, especially with Donald Trump launching a meme coin on the blockchain. Solana's daily revenue and DEX volume hit an all-time high last week, signaling its popularity. However, the blockchain once again struggled with network congestion issues, as was the case during last year's meme coin mania as well. Catslap, Slap. Catslap, Slap, rounds up our list of most promising meme coins to buy in early 2025. Experts firmly believe the most viral memes give birth to the best meme coins. Catslap is no different, inspired by the viral slapping cat meme. The Slap coin became famous after skyrocketing by 8,400% following its launch. However, the meme coin has since seen a correction as whales and early buyers have secured their profits. Nevertheless, experts are confident the Catslap price will make a comeback, considering its in-demand utilities. For instance, its slap-to-earn game is in high demand, as was its recently concluded airdrop.